friends. So this quick market update. You hear that squeaky noise? That's why I'm trying to raise some funds. I have got to fix this vehicle up or get something different. I'd hate to let her go because she's still good, right? But that squeaking in the background, so I apologize. But I'm trying to charge my battery up, and also to, so that's why I'm trying to raise funds. So I know you hear about my personal crap, you know that. But anyway, so here's the deal. We got the S&P 500 down. It's the Dow's down 2%. Nasdaq's down 3%. What a nightmare! 2% on the Russell. That is a nightmare because now look at this. It is they had follow through on this from the Fed day. The follow through that was red and they're pushing now down the tube. I told you it's weird. I told you yesterday when I saw that the bounce was so weak. I mean, it was like 0.3% green. Boy, I tell you, I was like, oh my gosh, the bulls are going to get slaughtered in this one, right? But we saw that through through some of the indicators went through there. But I said, remember, we got to use caution because we are in the Christmas rally, so they could have tried to pump some whatever, right? But they decided to back off. The Fed is not, and trying to produce fake numbers. Everything's fake. So they went ahead and probably actually printed some true numbers out of these CPI numbers and all this other economic numbers. So, and also, everybody was on the bull side. Everybody's waiting and anticipating, and that's usually what happens is then they pull the rug out on you, and nobody gets to deliver what they want in this world. So, anyway, so here's the thing: we're doing great on the Yang trade. It's interesting, boy. It's down, is up, down, and it just broke out, man. It's up like 5% now. It's great, the Yang trade. Now the coal that's still holding that, but it was basically flat. It's up about 1% or something like that. So still got those gaps above. It's probably take it off because there's going to be a safety trade here if this keeps going at this rate. They're going to start trying to pile back into oil, natural gas, gold, and silver, right? But I don't want to go through those gaps. Those gaps are moving up and get those filled, right? So anyway. So that's the quick thing on that. See, crude oil's down. See, gold, they're selling all assets, which is even worse. They're selling everything, even the silver, gold. They're selling everything off. Look at that. The 10-year bond, negative, bomb, everything. Bitcoin's even sold, everything, crypto, everything. That means they're in panic. The fear factor's up. Now, I will bring up the VIX real quick just so we can take a look at that. And I got to keep moving this morning, so I was going to make this short. I always say that, and I end up being like too long. Oh, it's up 6%. Now we're in the 22 range, which is still okay. We're under that 25 range, so that is, whoa, that gives the bears a lot of room, my friends. That is concerned if you're a bull. And the MACD is, let's see how the MACD is looking on this. Let's pull that up a little bit. See how the MACD, come on, MACD, come on. I love this Yahoo thing. Oh my gosh, there is still a lot of room there. Look at this. Yeah, we've got room to go all up here before we end concern. Remember we had the crossover? There we go. And boy, we're getting that ramp now. Now this is not bad for a cup and handle. Now things we're looking for a cup and handle. We kind of have this W and it kind of pull back. I know it's sloppy though. That's not really a W. We kind of have a cup and handle. Well, I don't want to make up stuff. It's more of a W. But we got this W. Oh God, it is. Oh, you kidding me? I didn't pull it back far enough. Let me straighten this out. Now I see it. Now I see this W pattern. Oh, you are kidding me. This is a nightmare for it. Because remember, as the VIX goes up, we got that W here. Look at this. Bing. Perfect. We got to pull back. Now, see that pullback? Where do you pull it back from? Well, usually it's to the close. So we got here. Oh, the angle is, that's a nightmare. Because the angle is, remember I told you want a W pattern with a slight pullback. It's hard to do because this bar is so wide. And then it'll launch again. Oh, you're kidding me. This is a nightmare. Because everybody's waiting for the Santa Claus rally. Now, I still would use caution because they got time to turn this thing around and float out some kind of weird, crazy news, But look at that. That W pattern is in play. Oh, geez. If you're on the long side, I get out, get to cash. Cash is position. You should always have your dollars working for get out now because that W pattern is in play. They are pushing that thing like you've never seen. Whoa. Right? Okay. Let's see how the IWM is real quick, though. Now I got this, and then I'm going to move on here. Okay, things to do today. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? I'm still fighting a cold here, so I don't want to talk too long either. All right. Here's full screen. Let's go to the IWM. I should have done my wider screen for you, but I got this short one on going here. Ooh, oh, God, terrible, bad. Ooh, geez. You dropped down below the 50. No good. But here we got to be cautious because now we got a gap, and they're gonna bring it back up to fill that gap. See this gap? Is there a gap there? Let's see. Low yesterday's candle is 178.83. 170. Oh my! it's a gap. There's got to be a gap filled. So there we got a discussion. Now we have a new marker. Let's tighten this up a little bit. I know it's terrible. Terrible. Let's bring this down. MACD is rolling over still. There's room on that IWM. See the MACD down there? There's room. We got some room to move a little bit more, but we got to watch for overheating this. All right. Yeah, I tell you, this is not good. I need to get my longer moving averages. But everything, you can go back to those others, but I just looking at the current again. Remember I told you it was going to do that touch in that range. Yeah, somewhere there I drew that line or something. I can't remember. And that channel break. Wait. Remember I told you about the channel break? And there's the channel's been broken. Remember that? I said that. See, the channel got broken. I said it's going to come down. And sometimes you can try to rebounce. They can't even make it back up to the channel. That channel broke, and then we had this, and then that, and I drew all that stuff out for you. And I said there's that. Oh, wait, where's the other gap? Yeah, there's that other gap. I said that gap's going to be filled right there. That just got filled this morning, today. Well, no, it got filled today. I'm sorry. It got filled there. Where's the next gap? I thought there was another one here. I don't know. You don't see the other one? Is it? I'm missing it. Sometimes they'll cheat and they'll backfill it. And I'm serious. I've had them do that where they'll come back and fill. I don't know how they can legally do that. It's against the law. But they'll come back and actually fill one of those up to make it look like it filled. And so I'll have to look at. Let's look at quick. I'm curious now. Then TZA. Let's say TZA to see if it shows it more clearly. If it's times 3, full screen. Let's see where they're at. This should be on the climb. It should be trying to climb. Did it fill it? Okay, it filled that one just today. TZA. You gotta remember it has decay and all this other weird stuff in options. So 32.80, 34.65, 34.65. That's gonna be that fill there. 34.67. It's not there yet. So anyway, but like I said, TZA, you better use IWM because these things are not always good trackers. Is there any others? Well, I don't see it. Well, there's where we're at, right? Let's see if we see a pattern here real quick on this. Are they stepping into it? Oh, yeah. Well, the volume's not too bad. As long as that volume doesn't start trailing off here on the up move. It's still pretty good, okay? You can use RSI and some of the things like that, relative strength indexes and stuff like that. So we're going to hit that. Yeah, it's got the good W pattern. Ching, 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 ching. It's got a W, and let's see. You got a good W pattern here. Zoom, 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 zoom. And, well, that was kind of slight pullback. Let's just do that again. Was that a slight pullback? Should have been up there a little higher, but it's okay. And then, all right. Somewhere like that. All right. Take care. God bless.